In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Cpanel in Hostinger. If you're looking to manage your hosting services smoothly, being able to access the Cpanel is an essential skill. Hostinger has a user-friendly interface, but knowing the steps to get where you need to be can save you time and hassle. Let's start by heading over to Hostinger's website. Open your favorite web browser and type in Hostinger's URL. Once you're on the site, look to the upper right corner of the homepage. There you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. Enter your login credentials, your email and your password. Make sure your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any logging issues, and if you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger dashboard, which they call the Hpanel. This is where you can manage all your hosting services from one centralized location. Here you'll see several sections including emails and domains. For now, navigate directly to the emails section within Hpanel. This is where you'll find the tools related to your email hosting if that's part of your plan. Next, click on the Domains tab. This section houses all of the domain related features and settings. Look through the options and don't worry if you feel a little overwhelmed at first. It's normal to take your time getting to know all the features available. After browsing the domains section, head over and click on the emails tab again. This is where you can manage your email settings and related features. For those setting up a new email account or adjusting existing email specifications, this is the place to be. Getting comfortable with navigating through the Hostinger Hpanel can really make your web hosting experience more efficient and enjoyable. While these steps guide you through accessing Cpanel functionalities, don't hesitate to explore other features at your own pace. Hostinger provides a comprehensive online help center if you have any questions or require further assistance. So there you have it. These simple steps will help you open your Cpanel in Hostinger swiftly. Remember, the more you navigate and interact with Hostinger's panels, the more proficient you'll become at managing your hosting services. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like more tutorials like this one, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Happy hosting!